Very, very tedious process. Man, we're almost done. We are almost done. Almost got it wrapped up. Very tedious process. The attention to detail and having a steady hand. Oh, I had cut more than I thought. Cut all of it. It's cool. Alright, almost there. Just gotta knock out the ends. I was looking at that. That must have been damage too. Yeah, so you have to weld that corner like the other one. You have to get up in there, put a weld in there. Hammered that out a little bit. Hammered that out a little bit. Yeah, they did pretty good. Alright. See if we can knock this side out first. I thought I got around that corner. Do my corners. Take this one. I might need to break off a blade. Just try to see if we can break off one of them blades. I might need a. Yes, I'm gonna actually break it off. Break out the tip, make it a little bit sharper. Then I can probably get around this corner a lot easier. I thought I already cut this one. Nope. Let's go over it again. Oh yeah, that's way sharper. Yeah, you need a sharp tip to get around that corner. Oh yeah, that's all it was. Having a sharp tip to go around it. Oh yeah. That sharp tip made the difference. There we go. Voila. Yeah. It's all about the details. We just got one end. I need to heat that up a little bit better. Should fall in there. Oh yeah. this down. Oh, that ain't round right there. I don't know why they did that. Yeah, that kind of fucked up right there. Let's see if I can cut it out. See if I can cut it out around. Freestyle. Ah, almost got it around it. I think I got it. Come on. Yes. Oh my God. Nerve-wracking. Yeah, that worked good. There we go. And this side meant even more to me because this is the driver's side. This one's still just as good though. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Oh yeah. All right, I'm ready to install them. I don't know. Before I do this front bumper, I think I'm gonna paint again. Yeah, I think I want to paint again. So let's get her outside, clean her up, pressure wash it. I really just need to pressure wash the engine bay. Yeah, I might just pressure wash the engine bay and then we'll get everything taped up and paint. Because the engine bay needs some paint on it. And if I put the bumper on right now, I guess I could tape all this up. Let's see. I could tape up all this, take the battery out, take all that out, get this side really well, get all that done. Probably just wrap this up. Might throw some paint on it. Ugh. I don't think it's ready to put the bumper on yet though. I got a little bit more things to do. Yeah, she's ready for a wash right now. I think that's my next step. So much little things to do, man. I don't think they're gonna be ready. They look good though. Might not be ready for the car show. You don't have to get ready though. I gotta do something. And I got both Both door jams done. We're gonna have to get ready. Oh yes.